Welcome to the Funded Trader. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? The Funded Trader was made by traders to offer an opportunity to earn for your valuable trading decisions. Our traders must pass any of our challenges, Standard, Rapid, Royal or Knights, to get funded. Both Phase 1 and Phase 2 have no time restrictions, allowing traders to focus on meeting the specified criteria without the pressure of time constraints. Each phase consists of several roles with a certain profit target, drawdown restrictions, and minimum trading days, depending on the challenge type. If you follow the rules, once you achieve the virtual profit target on the account, you will pass Phase 1 and be sent a new account for Phase 2. Phase 2 of the challenge is meant to be a verification phase of the excellent trading you showed in Phase 1. You will have the same set of rules as Phase 1, but a lower profit target. If you follow the rules and achieve a 5% profit on the account, you will pass Phase 2. This does not apply to the Nights Challenge, since Nights Challenge is only one phase evaluation with a 10% profit target, 3% daily drawdown, and 6% overall drawdown. The best part about it is that you can pass it in one day or take as much time as you need. Amazing, isn't it? Once you meet all the objectives and pass the challenge, you will officially become a funded trader and you will receive your funded account to start building your kingdom. Our scaling plan provides a fantastic opportunity for traders to increase their account size all the way up to $1.5 million in virtual funds, and with that, their potential profits based on their performance. Visit us at thefundedtraderprogram.com to learn more. Funding is available for traders eager to monetize their reliable data and transform their simulated experience into real profits.